Want fresh veggies in as little as 30 days, even with zero gardening experience and almost no space? Let me show you 6 vegetables you can grow fast in containers or small backyards in this video, plus tips to make them thrive, even if you're on a tight budget. First up, lettuce. It's one of the fastest growing greens and perfect for shallow containers. With partial sunlight and regular watering, you can start harvesting baby leaves in about 30 days, and keep picking for weeks. Grow different plant like baby spinach in the same pot for a colorful harvest. These are tips for mixing crops in one pot. Spacing. Sow seeds lightly, 4 to 6 inches apart. Sunlight needs. All thrive in partial sun 3 to 5 hours per day. Harvest. Together, cut leaves at 2 to 3 inches tall for a continual mix. Next, spinach. It thrives in cooler weather and partial shade, so it's ideal for balconies that don't get full sun. Sow seeds every 2 weeks for a steady supply, and you'll have tender leaves in just 35 to 50 days. Add a thin layer of mulch on top to keep the soil cool and retain moisture. Third, green onions. One of the easiest crops to regrow. Simply save the white base of store-bought onions, place in water or soil, and watch them sprout. In 21 to 30 days, you'll have fresh onions ready for soups and garnishes. Have you tried regrowing green onions before? Comment yes if you have. Or will try if you're adding it to your list. Number 4. Kale. Don't let its size fool you. Baby kale is harvest ready in 30 days and full-sized leaves in 45 to 60 days. It's packed with vitamins and keeps producing after you cut the outer leaves. Plant kale once, and you can harvest for months. Just keep cutting the outer leaves and let the center keep growing. Number 5. Peas. They love cool weather and vertical growing, making them perfect for trellises in small gardens. Flowers appear in about 30 days, and pods follow shortly after. Bonus: peas fix nitrogen in the soil, helping future crops grow stronger. Finally, radish. They are one of the fastest vegetable you can grow, with some varieties ready to harvest in just 22 to 30 days. Sow the seeds directly into loose, well-draining soil, give them plenty of sunlight, and keep the soil evenly moist. If you're short on space, you can grow all 6 in just one small raised bed or several containers. Imagine harvesting fresh salads in a single month, straight from your balcony or backyard. Those are the 6 fastest vegetables for quick harvests. Which one are you planting first? Comment below and let me know. And if you want to track your growth, then grab our free growth tracker linked in the description. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification box to get new updates.